How to win your DCF investigation process during the assessment and get your case closed and not keep it open. One really important thing, and in our great society here, none of us are native to America except for the native Indians. So we all come here from different places with different cultures and even different languages. And some of my clients don't speak very good English, and that's okay. Nor did my grandmother when she came from Ireland only spoke Gaelic. But she learned, and many of my clients do learn. But they prefer their native tongue, especially when things get a little bit crazy. So if you don't speak English as well, or you prefer to speak in your native tongue, make sure you tell the assessment worker that you would like an interpreter. And they can get one on the phone. But more importantly, not only get an interpreter, just like get the right lawyer, you gotta get the right interpreter. I recently had a case where the woman spoke Russian and they brought in a Ukraine interpreter. Well, Russian and Ukraine are different languages. Had another case where the client, and I'm gonna call him Danny, not his real name, he was from Sri Lanka. And there's very many different dialects in Sri Lanka of the language. And they got the wrong interpreter. So everything that was asked of the mother who did not speak English goes out the window. It didn't matter, it didn't make sense. And they never asked, they just figured Sri Lanka, there's only one Sri Lankan language. So if you're a client and you speak a language, you make damn skippy with DCF, they understand the language you speak and the dialect. And make sure you get that person who can speak your dialect and your language. And this is true of many different cultures. In China, they have many different, they have different dialects that are not the same. So, and there's other countries like that. Too many to list, too many to talk about, but the point being is that when you don't speak the King's English and you prefer or you can't speak English and you want to have an interpreter, make sure you get the right interpreter who speaks the right dialect. That's crucial. So you can communicate so that everything you say is conveyed with clarity and clearness.